Okay, I'm recording. They're all out there. I was just out here a second ago. Alright, this will be quick. The sky is nice and clear. And we got Old Faithful right over here. Right coming up first. Look at that air. Jesus Christ, dude. It's like a freaking TV from the 70s. That's Old Faithful. And I got my boy, I think this is left. Oh, wait. Right above me. Next. There's two. See him? I think he's last Mohican. I think he's the one that follows me most. And then we got number 3 over here. Can't really get him that well, but I can see him. He's there, trust me. And another one that you probably can't see. I think that might be an American or whatever. So, we just keep it simple. Let's just keep looking at the guy right above me. And good old Faithful, I didn't forget about you. I think that's Old Faithful. Yeah, it is. Look at him moving around. Through the naked eye, saw. Look at those weird lights. I don't know, man. I think that might be a U.S. guy faking.